Good morning student. Today we are going to learn Unit 1st 5th lesson Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Can you tell me the meaning of Seeing Eyes Helping Hands? Okay, I will tell you. Seeing Eyes Helping Hands is the name of a project. The school is going on to take this project, to start this project in their school, which name is Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. And the meaning of Seeing Eyes Helping Hands is, seeing eyes means the persons which are not able to see, to help them to see something, to be their eyes. And helping hands means which are not able to do something, to help that persons by giving our help. So this is the meaning of seeing eyes and helping hands. Now we are going to start this lesson. Some information is given to us about this lesson at the starting of the lesson. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. What is the name of the school? The name of the school is New Vision High School. And every person of that school was busy. Why are they busy? The reason is given here. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. All the persons of that school, means New Vision High School, were busy because inauguration of the project New Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week, because inauguration of the project, which name is Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, was take place in the next week, and they all were busy to doing their work related to that project. It was getting late for sending out the invitation. The date of the program, the date of the inauguration of that program came near. It is in the next week, but the invitations was not sent. Invitations was not given to the particular persons. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The invitation was not given, was not sent, so the principal of that school herself prepared a formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. She told her school's art teacher and the teachers and the students, the art teacher and their student made copies of the formal invitation. Here is a sample of what they did. Here a sample is given to us about the formal invitation. I write down some important point on the board. When we prepare some invitation, we need first to make a box here. Then the first line of the invitation is, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project. The first line is, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project. The first line of the invitation is, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project. Here, the meaning of the word solicit is request. The meaning of the word solicit is request, means here the principal is giving invitation to the person, and she requests them to inaugurate to be present at the inauguration of the project. Then the name of the project is given in block letters. Seeing eyes, helping hands. This is the name of the project. Which project is the school is going on to start? Seeing eyes, helping hands. Look here, in the invitation, the first line is given in small letters, and the name of the project is given here in block letters, means in capital letters. Then at the hands of, at the hands of means who is going to inaugurate the project. The name of the person is given here, Srimati Vimala Naik. She is going to inaugurate the project. Then former principal of New Vision High School, she is. Then below that, who is Vimla Naik? Her information is given here. Vimla Naik is the former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. And now she is also a president of Sahayak Samaj. Her information is given here. Then Dr. A.M. Chaudhary. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean. The meaning of Dean is higher authority person. Higher authority person. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean. Dean means the higher authority person. New Life Medical College and Hospital has kindly agreed to preside over the function. And who is Dr. Chaudhary? Dr. Chaudhary is Dr. Chaudhary is Dean of the New Life Medical College and Hospital, and he kindly agreed to preside over the function. Preside means being president. Preside means being president. And then below that, the time, the venue is given here. Time is given to this side. Time here is given 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then day is Sunday. Date is 9th July 2017. Here the time of the function, means time of the inauguration, is given. The time is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then day is Sunday and date is 9 July 2017. To this side, venue is given. Venue means the place where the function is going to start. Assembly hall. Assembly hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Then Below that, the address of the school is given. New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Means the function, inauguration function on is going on in the Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Then Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. Who is sending this invitation? The name of the person who is sending this invitation is given, and that person is Suhasini Ambekar. Suhasini Ambekar. Principal, New Vision High School. Suhasini Ambekar is the principal of New Vision High School. Then V.S. Ajinkya, to this side of the name of the teacher. V.S. Ajinkya. Who is V.S. Ajinkya? Ajinkya is teacher in charge, SEHH. Means V.S. Ajinkya is a teacher who is the in charge of this Seeing Eyes Helping Hands project. And to this side, the name of two students given, Komal Shelkar and Nitin Warke, and these two students are student secretaries of SEHH. Means these two students are the secretaries of Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. And in this way, the principal of that school, Miss Suhasini Ambekar, prepared a formal invitation to invite for the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. And using this format, we also prepared some more formal invitations for any event, just as the inauguration of the gathering of our school. You know very well, you have seen the invitation cards when the gathering took place in our school in the last year. This is known as the formal invitation. And in our next period, we will learn about this project more, how to write a notice on the notice board for the school students or for the parents. Now we are going to see this part on the digital board.
Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Schools nowadays are all loaded with fun-filled activities, projects and learning experiences. Yesterday, my daughter came home all excited with news about some new project, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, to be inaugurated by their principal. She further added that the principal, teachers, students, student council, everyone at her school, New Vision High School, are busy. The inauguration of the project, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitations. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. A. A formal invitation. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9th July 2017. Venue, Assembly Hall, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, SEHH. Komal Shelar, Nitin Valke, Student Secretaries, SEHH.
Look student here. Here the format of invitation is given to you. In this format, the first sentence is, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project. Means we request you to come to inaugurate at the inauguration project. Then seeing eyes helping hands means the name of the project is given in block letters, mean in all capital letters, because this is the name of the projects. When we prepare formal invitation, we have to indicate the main name or some main people's name in block letters or in some different colors, using different colors. Then at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik means the inauguration of the project. Srimati Vimla Naik inaugurate the project. Former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Srimati Vimla Naik is the principal of former principal of New Vision High School and also president of Sahayak Samaj. Then Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean. The name of the person, Dr. A.M. Chaudhary. Dean means higher authority person. New Life Medical College and Hospital. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary belongs to New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function, means he is ready to be president of the function. Then on one side the time is given. The time of the inauguration is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Day is Sunday and the date is 9th July 2017. And venue means the place where the inauguration function will take place. The name of that place is given. It is Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. In their school there is an assembly hall, and in that assembly hall the function is going to take place. Suhasini Ambekar, who is sending this invitation? The invitation is sending by Suhasini Ambekar. She is principal of New Vision High School. Then at the end, to one side, the name of the teacher in charge is given, and the name of the teacher in charge of this program is V.S. Ajinkya. And to the other side, student secretary's name is given, and the student secretaries are Komal Shelar and Nitin Valke. And in this way, the formal invitation is given about the Seeing Eyes Helping Hands project. And in this project, in this invitation, you are seeing that some names of the person are given in different color, in red color. Means when we prepare formal invitation for any event, we should include many colors in it, and we should give importance to the particular person, particular time means which particular points, just as time, venue, and what is the name of the project, who is going to invite, and who is the president or who is going to inaugurate that project. And we will learn the next part of this lesson means how to prepare a notice for the school board about any invitation, about the program. We will learn in our next period. Thank you.